Welcome to another HVACI technical claim video. Today's topic is the phase out of R-22 refrigerant. Let's begin by asking, what is R-22? It's commonly known as Freon, which is actually a DuPont brand name. It is a common refrigerant used in both residential and commercial air conditioning equipment and has been used in the United States for over 50 years. It is widely known for its superior heat transfer properties. So why is R-22 being phased out? R-22 is part of the Montreal Protocol, which was enacted over 30 years ago to help protect the environment and has a final phase-out date of January of 2020. The protocol specifically addresses hydrochlorofluorocarbons, or HCFCs for short. HCFCs are a group of chemicals that are known to be ozone-depleting substances and contribute to the hole in the ozone layer. Here are 3 things all adjusters need to know about the R-22 phase-out. Systems that use R-22 are not illegal, and those systems can still be repaired now and after the January 2020 phase-out deadline. There are an estimated 70 million plus systems in the United States still using R-22, and parts will continue to be produced to keep those systems operating until the end of their normal lifespan. And finally, the phase-out only applies to the production and import of virgin R-22 refrigerant. Reclaimed refrigerant is indistinguishable from net new R-22 and will be readily available for years to come, as the EPA estimates upwards of 9 million pounds of R-22 are reclaimed annually. Thanks for tuning in to this edition of the HVACI Technical Claim videos. We hope this information helps you understand the most important points of the R-22 phase-out. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by email at webinar@hvaci.com or call 888-407-5224.